So good morning, Alpha. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can actually use this coin margin features on futures market. In my previous video, I explained to you how you can use USDT margin features on futures market, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can use coin margin features on futures market. I told you the difference between USDT margin features is that and coin margin feature is that you can actually use a coin, that is a cryptocurrency, with USD and USD margin features. Those are the two pairs that you can actually use on USD margin features. Every cryptocurrency you see will always be treated with USD, unlike coin margin feature whereby the cryptocurrency can be traded with the same, with almost with no USDT included. That is coin with coin, which is, let's assume, BTC, Ethereum BNB Solana, BNB RSI, BNB GMT PEP, and so on and so forth. It depends. So this our coin margin feature is not the same as they are similar to USDT margin features, and they are very similar to the spot market also. So like I said, this is your cross and isolated. In my previous video, I discussed to you how you can use cross and isolated, what it means, how you can use leverage, how you can use buy, you can use sell, how you can use limit order, market order, stop limit, and trailing stop. What ask and bid simply means your current market price, your mark price, and your mark price, and your selling price, your open orders, your positions, your histories, and so on and so forth. So that is all what coin margin features is all about. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, so that you can have access to my previous video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, so that you can have access to my next video. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next video.